Hi guys, welcome to my weather vlog for today, December 20th, 2010, and we are in the middle of a nice little snowstorm, our first snowstorm of the season, and I'm just left my house right now, so we're gonna walk down here and see what's going on here. And you're going to see in 1 second, we have a band of heavy snow right now. That is over Boston. It's just taking the coast right now and pushing in from the east and moving westward into the city. Right now we have moderate to heavy snow. We have strong winds and they're gusting to about 20-25 miles per hour. If they hit 30 and stay around 30 miles per hour for 3 or more hours, that would be considered blizzard. So it is very cold. The temperature is around 27 to 28 degrees, and the snow is piling up. It is piling up. It's been snowing since about I would say 1 o'clock. It started some flurries, and now it is snowing very heavy here in the area. As you can see, everything is white. It looks beautiful. All the streets, so you can see the heavy snow. Let's see if you can see under the light here. So you can see heavy snow falling, and it just looks amazing. We probably have, I'm not sure, my hands are freezing. So there's blowing snow also. We have mountains of snow, of snow drifts developing and kind of gathering up. So you can see down here, if I go down, so you can see we probably got about a few inches of snow there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it is our first snow. Yay! Yay! So it's awesome. I'm very excited. Let me pan out so you can see the other side of the street. As you can see, everything's nice and beautiful white. Sorry about the quality of it's that my iPod Touch, and it doesn't take good night video. So anyways, it is very snowy. It is very cold. It is windy. We have snow drifts gathering up everywhere. We have I would say we have about 2-3 inches of snow, and Christmas is here. It looks Christmassy. We have the Christmas lights in the house back there. It is amazing. Been waiting for snow throughout this month. Everybody's been getting snow except for Boston. So the snow is finally here. It is damn cold. So anyways, my hands are freezing, so I need to get out of this and put my gloves on. But anyways, just wanted you guys to have a little taste of the snow. So you can see we have a close up. But it is very cold. But I love it. It's beautiful. Everything looks really nice, very beautiful. So that's it. See you guys. I will post this in 1 second. Bye. Enjoy. Yay, bye. Peace.